Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a comparison between this Louis Vuitton small key pouch and the mini pochette. So as you guys can see right here, that the mini pochette, it is the perfect example for the size reference. Okay, I will also be doing what fits, how I organize it. Alright, so right now, let's put this together and let's see the size comparison. As you guys could see the pattern, it is a classic monogram, and right here you could tell that it is almost the same. Okay, so as you guys could see right here, the flowers, the blossoms, so we have 4 right here, and then the Louis Vuitton monogram, and that I always call this a diamond and the monogram, and then we also have 4 flowers right here, and I have the diamond, round, and diamond. So as you guys can see, the mini pochette right here, there were 2 monogram over here, so there's 2 over here, and then the diamond, and then right below that we have the blossoms, similar, and then right here the diamond, round, and diamond fleur-de-lis. So when you looked at it, it is like when you just try to look at the frame. So let's try to look at the frame over here within the piping. Let's put it together. It is almost like the same size. Okay, just by looking at the monogram and the flowers, you could tell that it is almost the same. But I know that the mini pochette is around like 2 inches longer, and it's around a little over a ½ inch taller. But let's not compare the width, because it's so obvious that the mini pochette is around 1.6 inches, and this one is just like 0.4 inches. So there is a significant difference. Now let's see what fits on this mini pochette right here. As you guys, when we open it, it has a slip pocket inside, and somebody asked a question on my unboxing on this, if how many cards it could fit in this card slot over here. Okay, and let's try it. So I have 1 card over here. Let's put it in. That's 1. And then I have the second one over here as well. And then I have the third one. So I think 3 cards would fit perfectly in a card slot. So there were 3 credit cards in here. But then again, I would say I think it would be perfect if you just put 2 cards. And then this one is a little bit thicker because these are metal cards. And as you guys could see right here, I think there's no problem with 3 really. But then again, you have to be very careful. That's because right here, I don't know, for some reason, I hope my camera will focus. So let me just take this card out so that you guys will be able to see it, what I'm trying to show here. So as you guys can see, the inside of this pocket over here, they did there is a double stitching over on this side, but I don't know, for some reason on this part over here, on this part, there's only 1. So they should, I would say, they should reinforce this with double stitching. That is my thought, because this part right here gets a lot of pressure right here on this corner. But this one has double stitching right here in the corner, this part, but there's only 1 right here on the side. So yeah, like I said, as much as possible, do not overstuff it. All right, and the same thing applies on the other side right here. So I don't know, there is a double stitching over here, but not on this part that connects the pouch and this flap over here. I don't know. So anyway, this fits 3 credit cards in here. I don't think we see any problems. And if you intended to use this for credit cards only, and I have 23, this could fit 23 credit cards with no problems at all. So these are all 23 credit cards right there, and you still have plenty of space on the corner. And this material, this canvas, is pliable. It's really supple for some reason. It's very soft and it has a nice feel to it. So let's close it, and close perfectly. I don't see any problems with it right there. So it is, the zipper seems to be, it looks good. I didn't see any, no, I don't see, I was thinking like this part right here, like a little, it would look a little distorted, but right now, no, it wasn't really, it looks fine. It looks perfectly fine. So those are 23 credit cards inside, and with a passport. So you might want to think that the passport, so when you look at this with the comparison, you might think that the passport will fit. Unfortunately, it will not, because of the zipper pull right here, so right there, yeah, so it will not fit right there. So that's all. But if you are trying to look at based on the comparison, yeah, you might think it will fit, but unfortunately it will not fit a passport. And another thing, if you are like me, I don't know, for some reason, I am obsessed with an organizer. And I can't use my purse without an organizer. And each of my pouch, each of my mini pochette has an organizer. So I have here my mini pochette organizer. And let's see if this fits, mini pochette organizer. And definitely this will fit. So if you are concerned with this staining inside, if you put some cosmetics and stuff, this will be perfect. But since the interior is dark, I don't think that would be a problem, and you could easily wipe it. And right now, this is how it looks. This is for my mini pochette organizer. You could close it without any issues at all. So yeah, it looks perfect. So this one is optional, but for me, sometimes I'm a little bit obsessed with the interior of my purse for some reason. So this is just for reference only. And then, and also, yeah, let me just put this one inside the mini pochette. So pretty much this would fit with my mini pochette without any issues at all. So this is how it would look inside, and these are some of my essentials. This is a sample mascara and I love it. So what I did with this one came in with really sharp edges, and so I cut the corner so I won't poke myself like that. And then I also have a sample for the perfume. They are perfect, and I could easily slip into my mini pochette. And I have my powder here, Charlotte Tilbury, like that. So yeah, these are actually optional. And also, that's the organizer. So organizers are optional. And for this one, you could also put right this one over here, and then that. So these are just really what I needed in my cosmetic pouch. So this one is perfect. Like that. Then you could close it. I really, really love this pouch, guys. Okay, so anything that's a little bit smaller than this pouch, it will fit. So you could put not just only a credit cards, you could use a business card as well. You could literally put cash in here. And yeah, I really thought that this one is just a perfect perfect size for everything. And yeah, with the mini pochette right now, this was 760 and this one is 365. And the reason why I love this key pouch is because it's flat. It's really flat. Anyway, this is how it looks without the pouch. Inside the cosmetic pouch, and there's still plenty of room. So this is cash, the powder, the mascara, the perfume, the lipstick, and I have 3 cards in here. So yeah, then let's close it. It's perfect, beautiful. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.